Today we are installing a Thermo Pride OME series oil furnace in a mobile home application. The OME series oil furnace is yet another example of Thermo Pride's commitment to only crafting the highest of quality products. A heavy 16 gauge octotherm heat exchanger equipped with easy access service ports for cleaning is housed inside a durable reinforced and interlocking steel cabinet. This furnace is equipped with a Beckett AFG burner and has an 86% AFUE rating. Like all of our mobile home furnaces, the OME series furnace comes with a peace of mind warranty, providing a 10-year warranty on parts and a lifetime warranty on our heat exchangers. Plus, our heat exchangers are the industry's only non-prorated and automatically transferred warranty to new homeowners. We are going to be replacing a Miller CMF80 furnace today. The CMF80 is 57 inches tall and 18 inches wide, just like the OME series. The OME series is 24 3/4 inches deep, 1/2 inch deeper than the CMF80. For this application, we will be installing a coil box, but it is important to note that because the CMF80 does not have a 4-inch combustible base, our 70 base would be required in this application if we were not installing a coil cabinet. Our 70 base is a 4-inch floor base, which can be used with all of our mobile home furnaces. It ships with a warm air plenum and a combustion air chute. This base is required whenever a furnace is installed on combustible material. We offer 2 coil cabinets for matching to our OME series oil furnaces. Our CE111S is our 20-inch tall coil box, which we will be using today. Our CE211T is our larger coil box and measures 24.5 inches tall. It is important to reference these heights when surveying a project. In this application, our 24.5 inch tall coil box would not have fit. There are 0 clearances required from the back and sides of the furnace and 1 inch from the top. A 6-inch clearance is needed from the front of the furnace when in a closet, and 18 inches is needed when in an alcove application. These clearances can be referenced in the installation manual. Once the furnace is removed, the CMF80 floor base can be removed. We now need to position the floor base to ensure that the flue pipe lines up correctly with the furnace. These measurements are available in our installation manual to help with this process. Once the positioning for the coil cabinet is determined, you can use the knockouts located inside the coil cabinet to mark your openings needed for the combustion air chute, as well as for the refrigerant and condensate lines. After making these openings, you can then set your coil cabinet and reinstall the combustion air chute. Make sure that the combustion air chute is not blocked in any way when pulling combustion air from under the home. A transition boot can also be added and ducted from under the home with either galvanized or PVC pipe. Now we can set the furnace on the coil cabinet. You can see that this lined up nicely to the existing roof jack, but because there is such limited space, we will need to connect the flue pipe by removing the cap from the roof jack and by tapping the flue pipe downward onto the furnace flue connection. A seamless flexible flue offset is also available for applications where the additional needed space is available. Now that the furnace is in place, we want to ensure that the plenum is properly sealed. We can now install the coil. Now it is time to install the burner. Because this is a 2-pipe application, we will need to install the bypass plug which comes with the burner. When installing the burner, properly align the burner mounting plate gasket, then bolt the burner to the burner plate. With the burner mounted, we can now connect our combustion air kit to the combustion air housing on the burner to the combustion air chute by installing the 2-inch radiator hose over the street side of the PVC Street 90. The other end will attach to the burner housing and can be secured by using the 2-inch hose clamps. The flexible hose will then be installed over the PVC 90 to the provided floor boot. A combustion air kit is also available for applications where an existing concentric roof jack is used and you would like to adapt to it. Otherwise, you may choose to use the air chute to bring combustion air into the burner from under the home as previously discussed. The combustion air kit includes a roof jack transition that will adapt to the existing concentric roof jack. The kit also includes materials needed to attach the steel combustion air pipe that can be installed by removing the rear panel of the furnace. You will also need to remove the knockouts in the top trim panel and the blower trim panel as well. The electrical compartment housing all the low and line voltage connections is located at the top left side of the furnace. When making these connections, always ensure that you are in compliance with your local and national electrical codes. 4 LED lights are provided for the low voltage terminal connections and will operate whenever a call is present. The control system provides 120 volt outputs for both the humidifier and the electronic air cleaner as well. This control system also provides a dehumidification mode that can be utilized when using a thermostat that has dehumidification capabilities. A fan speed selection chart is in our installation manual to show you which fan speed is designated for air conditioning based on nominal tonnage. Dip switches are also available to adjust the blower on and off delay times. The OME72 can be fired at 2 different firing rates by changing the nozzle size. Once the preferred firing rate is determined, ensure the combustion parameters are within tolerance using an accurate and calibrated instrument as specified in the installation manual. This concludes our installation and training video for our OME series oil furnace. Thank you for watching.